A man, Dave, is relaxing in his living room when his wife Sarah rushes in, holding a packed suitcase. She looks a little frantic and says, "Dave, I'm leaving for a week-long business trip. I told you, remember?" Dave squints, trying to recall, but nothing comes to mind. Are you sure? You didn't mention anything about a trip." Sarah rolls her eyes. "Yes, I did. You never listen. Anyway, don't forget to feed the dog and water the plants." Dave scratches his head. "What dog? We don't have a dog." Sarah looks surprised for a second, then quickly laughs it off. "Oh yeah, right. I meant, feed the fish. And don't water the fake plants. Just, dust them." Dave nods slowly, still looking a bit skeptical. "All right, honey, be safe. So, who's going with you on this trip?" She pauses, then says, "Oh, it's just me and Carol from accounting. Strictly business." Dave raises an eyebrow. "Carol? The one you said can't stand traveling? She got motion sickness just sitting in the office chair."